Rachel, and today I am back with a video where I'm going to show you everything that's inside of the Josephine Beau Designs anniversary bundle that was recently released. This video is not a spoiler. If you bought this, you know exactly what was in it. It was all in the listings on the item. Also as well, I've got another order in here that's got a few extra bits from the collection. So the shop is currently closed at the moment. When the shop reopens, there are items from this collection that you can buy a la carte in the shop. Not everything, some things were bundle exclusive, but I'll go through that as we go along. But anyway, this is how it arrived to me. It was packaged in an envelope with this lovely, very ASMR tissue paper that I love. This is the bundle. These are what I bought extra. Let me pop those to the side and we will go through the bundle. So look at this. So to start with, everything comes packaged in this gorgeous little folder that's got the bows on it from the collection. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just so stunning. So let's open this up and then let's get the actual bundle out. Is that everything? That's everything out. So there, you can see there. So useful. I'm going to store my acetates and vellums in there. So I've got that. Then we will do this first, which is a very cute little bow. I like to hang these off my planner trolley, my planner cart. I do have 6 things hanging off my planner cart. This will make it 7. So we've just got a little purple leatherette bow. To make himself known in every video, doesn't he? Yeah, so we've got a nice purple leatherette bow. This is beautiful. It's really nice and smooth with some silver hardware there. So yeah, we have got that. Then we've got possibly the most exciting thing. We've got the washi. And the thing that I like about this washi is, as well as these rolls of washi, this matches the washi that's in the kit, which makes it absolutely perfect for a B6 spread, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm not sure how well it's picking up because I've still got the cover on, but they've all got holographic foil on. So this is stars of holographic foil. This one has just got a very cute little speck of foil. Can you see it? Probably looks like it's white, but it is holographic foil. And then on this one we have got the little lines of holographic foil as well, so they're all absolutely beautiful. So let's get into this then. I will give you warning, this might be a video where I squeal 1,000 times, even though I know exactly what's in here. It's definitely possible. Switch on one of my videos and you know not to put it at full volume because there's going to be a bit of squealing. I can feel one coming already because I've just seen that acetate and it's so cute. Oh, don't get stuck. Don't do that. I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip it because I'm worried that it's going to stick to the foil and pull some off. Right, there we go. So you've just got your little card that you get every time you place an order with Josephine Beau Designs. Isn't that fun? Isn't that so cute? I love that. I always give them to Paige and she has a post box and she used them in that post box. So we have got a very cute washi card, which is holographic foiled. Did I say silver foil for these? These are holographic foil. I feel like I might have said silver. Yeah, I love that. How cute is that? As always, it is immaculately foiled. Beautiful. And I love how thick these are. I always feel like if I put my washi on them and I put them in my planner, they're nice and sturdy. They're not going to get curled up on the corners or anything like that. Next up, we have got this very beautiful journaling card. It says, don't forget to be awesome. And then you have got the stars and the purple background that match along with the kit. And then on the other side, which is my favourite side, I will say, we have got this. This colour, this peachy, is just my jam. I love it so much. I love these bows and I love these stars. It's just gorgeous. So that is going to get laminated and go in my setup. And then next we have got this sheet called All the Bows Clear Functionals. So we've got a few bows at the top here which are gorgeous. I reckon as well, if I back to them, I might be able to make tabs out of those. Definitely possible. And then we've got some of these as well. We've got some of these really clear paint swatches that I love. They are my favourite. And we've got these as well, which are really good for layering. So we've got that. I'm going to do this last because it is the best and you save the best to last. Then we have got some very beautiful star acetate. Oh, my favourite. There is a star acetate in the shop at Josephine Beau Designs. I'm not sure if this is exactly the same one as the usual one, but I do buy that one all the time. It's one of my favourites. So yeah, I love this one. And then we have got a vellum, which is that gorgeous peachy colour with the bows and the stars. And then we have got that purple vellum, which matches with the journaling card with the stars and the white little dots. And I thought they were snowflakes, but they're not, they're stars as well. It's just so pretty. I know I say it every time, but is this my favourite? Is this my favourite? We need a poll. Which is Rachel's favourite? All of it. All of it. And then we have got star of the show. We've got the standard vertical kit. So we've got 8 full boxes, and of course this is original artwork to Josephine Beau Designs. Joanne is very, very talented and designs all the kits for the shop, which means you'll find them nowhere else, which I just think is so cool. All these boxes are gorgeous. I love this one. So we've got our functional boxes. We have got bottom washi and headers, and like I said, this matches the washi that you've got in the rolls, which is really cool. Then we've got this sheet, which got your date covers and some trackers, a bill do, some, what are these, checklists, a weekend banner, which I love. That's really cute. Such a cute weekend banner, and these as well, and these, I love them. And then we've got the holographic foil headers. So beautiful. So that is the kit. So that's everything that came in the bundle. Now I did put a separate order in and order some extras as well. So I got another one of the bow folders just because I love it. And I decided to pick up the kits in the other sizes that were available. So if you bought the anniversary bundle, the kit came in standard vertical size, and that was how it came. There was no choice on that one. But the other sizes for the kits were available in the shop. And I'm pretty sure that they will be available in the shop when the shop comes back. Oh, I've just realised what I've done and I love it. I got that in acetate. Oh, so I've got that in an acetate and a vellum. I'm so smart. Okay, so this is the extra order that I bought. Okay, so we've got the freebie that was currently available in the shop. This was the November freebie. I love this. This needs to be a kit for sure. I have got my freebie that you get if you use my code, which is RachelPlans15. That's my new freebie. And then I have got, I've got a standard vertical 1-page mini kit. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Then I have got this one here, which is the standard vertical mini kit. Let's get this bad boy open. Move everything else out of the way so you can just focus on what I've got in my hands. So we have got, and I love these, I've said it before, I love them because they are absolutely perfect if you want to use them in a smaller planner. You've got smaller sized deco boxes there, as well as a couple of bigger ones, and it's just going to give you that bit more room. You've got some washi at the bottom down there. You've got your functional boxes, some headers, some checklist, date covers, a tracker and a bill do. So that is the mini kit. And then obviously I got the Hobonichi Weeks kit as well. I've got to the point now in my Hobonichi Weeks where I'm saving things because I know that I'm going to be coming to the end of this one and I want to save them all for my new 2022 one. So we've got the Hobonichi Weeks kit, obviously with the same theme. We have got the washi, we've got some functionals, we've got some checklists, we have got some date covers, some more functionals, and your deco boxes there as well. And it looks just as gorgeous. Just as gorgeous in Hobonichi Weeks size as well. I love this box here. I love it. And then lastly, I picked up, so let me show you. In the bundle, I got the vellum, the Peach and Bows vellum, and from the shop, I picked up the Peach and Bows acetate. It's not showing up because of my background. It's probably looking like it's clear and you're seeing the background through it, but it's not. It's definitely a peachy colour. I've thrown the piece of card. Oh, here's a piece of card. I can use this one, then you'll see it better. There you go. Can you see? Just a very subtle pop of peachy pink, which is my favourite. And then I picked up another one of these vellums as well, because I want to make a pouch with it. So, oh, how gorgeous was all of that? How gorgeous was all of that? But yeah, that's everything that was in the anniversary bundle in the shop. I really hope that Joanne brings more of these things to the shop for special occasions. I would have a bundle for every occasion. It's Sunday, let's have a Sunday bundle. Monday bundle, we'll have a bundle because it's not raining today. All the bundles, please, all the time. But yeah, that is everything that I got in the Josephine Beau Designs anniversary bundle and the extras that I picked up from the shop too. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.